Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox this new second pop culture set in India. So I got the whole box, you can see. So I'm gonna unbox it and open one of it, one of each. So there are total 5 cars. The first one is this 17 Audi RS6 Avant. Obviously it's a premium metal on metal, real rider wheels, Forza, you can see. So next check out the second one. So the next one is this 1985 Chevy Astro from Batman movie. You can see Batman's sticker here. 85 years of Batman, so it's a special car. So the next one is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Party Wagon in a yellow color. Nice heavy casting, quite heavy. So the next one is one of my favorite, Corvette's C8R from movie Barbie, 65 Corvette. Green color wheels, you can see, and the Barbie movie card art. So the next, last but not the least, the Dark Knight Rises and that trilogy movie, famous movie series, the Dark Knight Batmobile. It's also very heavy. So I'm gonna open the one of car from the each. So first one I'm going to unbox this Dark Knight Batmobile. What it's called, that tumbler, right? Yeah. Very hard to remove. Obviously it's a premium card, not like main lines. Wow, you can see it. Very heavy casting, beautiful rubber wheels, rubber tires. Yeah, it's a rubber tires, both different style of wheels at the rear. Very heavy casting. It's a bottom, you can see DC, some license name, and made in Indonesia. Obviously it's a premium car. Little bit details at the rear, chrome finish. Nice camouflage livery. Very big wheel arches. You are not able to see inside. Very small opening for the windows. Overall nice casting and rolls very smoothly, no doubt. Obviously it's a rubber tire car. So the next one I'm going to unbox this the Ninja Turtle one. So this is the card. So let's open it. Again, it's a beautiful pop culture set. I also got the first one, so I have not opened it yet, so I'm gonna open it later after this set. First time I got the whole box of any set. So this is the Ninja Turtle one Party Wagon. Very heavy casting and different style of wheels, and there are also rubber tires, and I think this side opens. Yeah, it does. It got some. Got a gun, I think. Yeah. And only this side opens. Nice one. Very heavy casting. Full metal. Roof is also metal. All metal parts. Only this one and this opening part is of plastic. These gun is also plastic, and this one also moves. Cannons, nice little bit details inside. Orange interior, very bad steering wheel as always for every Hot Wheels, and it got side mirrors. Wow, turtles written here, and their hard top, some teeth here you can see, some paint to the headlights, also got to the indicators, some here. Very detailed car, very delicate parts also, so be careful. So the next one is, I'm gonna open, which one should I open? I think this one, Audi. I'll now next, one of my favorite from this set, Audi 17 RS6 Avant. Beautiful Forza card art. So let's open it. So here it is. I got 2-3 Audis, but first one from the premium set. So this is it. And it's a good thing, it's got a number plate also. You can see it's not a real, it's a Forza number written here, but it is what it is. Nice Forza livery. Some sponsors, Brembo, Pirelli, Borla and Bellistin. Audi Quattro written here, the famous four-wheel drive of Audi. 24 number Forza logo here. Nice details in the front. You can see Audi rings and RS written here. The basic headlight painting, and also it got side mirrors. Forza logo on the windshield, sunroof. Again on the roof, it's got Forza logo. Nice details at the rear. You can see Audi logo, the number plate, and the paint of that number. Little bit diffuser details, also metallic part. Nice wheels. Let's check out the bottom. Black color, dark black finish. Hot Wheels logo is not painted. I don't know. It's only the logo. Again, obviously from Indonesia. Nice finishing to the car, and not that heavy as others, but little bit heavy. Nice casting. So the next one is, I'm going to unbox this Chevy Astro Batman, 85 years, 1985 Chevy Astro van. It's quite heavy, so let's open it. So here it is, guys. Beautiful Astro van. Wow, what a vehicle, what a casting. Deep dish wheels, hammered inside the body. Beautiful, that famous red and black design of Batman, old logo of Batman in red color. You can see the exhaust details here, very bad detail. It's a plastic part. You can see that black, I think they are parachutes. Nice one. This window is plastic part, yeah, very dark one. This one is also nice. The different style of spoilers, like head of a Batman. Little bit details at the rear, red color, black, same colors everywhere. Only the indicators are in yellow. You can see inside, very different interior. What is that white part? I don't know. Not able to see the seats, but okay. Wider wheels at the rear, smaller at the front. Nice casting. Let's check out the base. You can see same size of wheels, but diameter is different. Not here you can see very bold written font. You can see the gap here, but nice casting and rolls very smooth. A little bit to the sides, but overall nice. So last but not the least, I think one of the best cars, but not best car art for the boys. This one, Barbie 65 Corvette C8R. Nice Barbie movie livery, but it's a Corvette, so I have to get it. This is my second Barbie car. So first one is that old Corvette convertible from that movie, and this one is also from that. Overall, I love Corvettes. So it's a nice, very good opening, smooth opening of the card, and very heavy casting. It's in a pink color, obviously. You can see the lady here. 59 Hot Wheels logo here, Barbie written here, and very small side mirrors, but it's okay. Very bad wheels, but okay. I don't like that color green, but you can see the good diffuser details. You can see here tail light details, nice spoiler, nice headlight details. Also the Barbie lady here. Front diffuser is also nice, very well detailed. You can see the cut here, looks very nice, realistic. Corvette logo here, nice one. You can see the, I think it's the exhaust tip, yeah, and it's nice diffuser. I like it, very strong metal. And it's the base. You can see that green color of that wheel. Corvette CA here, nice. Overall nice casting. I like the second one better than the first one, the pop culture set. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and please comment your favorite from this set, and also watch my previous videos. Bye. Thank you.